Hello out there, everyone that might watch this video, and all my subscribers. This is another video by Radio Nut R. That's me. So I got a question for you. When you have a President Washington base station that was given to you, and you take it to get repaired, the guy says he wants $175 to $200 to repair it. What do you do? Answer: you don't pay to get it repaired. Instead, you do this to it. Take it apart, save all the good things. Transformer, boards, wires, relay. Keep the board, keep the wires intact. Keep your other boards over here. Most of all, a very hard to find meter. Channel changer, power cord, assorted switches, volume pots, on and off, headphone jack, knobs, connectors. And you say, well, where's the rest of it? Well, let me show you where the rest of it is. The rest of it is right there. It's turned into a president speaker. I'll let you hear it. So, if you got an old president, even a Zachary or Washington that you don't want to pay to get fixed, turn it into a speaker. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.